in this, but I'll get in big trouble. I don't have a dress to wear, just Cinderella. Someone just said my name in a kind voice. Cinderella. Who are you? Oh, Cinderella, I am your fairy godmother. I have a fairy godmother? Of course you do. All the fairy princesses have a fairy godmother. I'm not a fairy princess. I am just a plain serving fairy. Oh, I can see that your stepmother has told you a big lie. She has? What do you mean? Well, did she tell you something ridiculous like she found you lost in the woods? Yes, that is exactly what she said. Well, that is exactly not true one bit. Well, you see, in case you had not noticed this, your stepmother is very cruel and she is selfish and vain. So she decided she wanted only a fairy princess to be her servant. So she went and she got you a long time ago and she brought you here to be her servant. Wow. I had no idea. I know. Do you know anything about my parents? Of